Hello everyone, welcome to the online session of Manu Law Classes. In today's video, I am going to discuss 10 words which have been taken from the Hindu newspaper. As always, these words not only help you in solving reading comprehension based questions but also help you solve questions that are completely based upon synonyms, antonyms and other vocab kind of questions. So let's get started. The first word in the list is remorse. Remorse का मतलब होता है ना दुख व्यक्त करना. So guilt or regret for a misdeed. किसी गलत चीजों को करने के बाद किसी तरह का नुकसान पहुंचाने के बाद किसी को एक रिग्रेट की जो भावना आती है दैट इज कॉल्ड रिमोर्स राइट. द साइकोपैथ अपीयर्ड कंटेंट एंड शोड नो रिमोर्स ड्यूरिंग द मर्डर ट्रायल राइट. सो कोई व्यक्ति है हु हैड बीन अ साइकोपैथ and they do not remorse right just because of that quality itself they are psychopath. So repentance, guilt and sorrow are the synonymous term to remorse. The next word in the list is undulate. Undulate का मतलब बहुत ही smooth, move with a smooth wave-like motion. Effortlessly, the dolphin seemed to undulate in the water. So undulate का मतलब होता है बड़े आराम से किसी काम को कर देना, right? बिना किसी परेशानी के. So rise and fall, wave and roll are the synonyms to this word. Undulate यहीं तक सीमित नहीं है. अगर आप किसी काम में बहुत दक्ष हो, so you can also use this word undulate. The next word in the list is worry. Worry means to warn someone, feeling or showing caution about possible danger and problems. So worry means होता है कि एक तरह से warning, एक तरह से cautious कर देना, सावधान कर देना ताकि कोई गलत step ना उठाए. So one of the most important lessons that parents must teach young children is to always be wary of strangers. Strangers से दूर रहें. Stranger पे जल्दी trust ना करें. Even trust ही ना करें unless your parents say. So synonyms are cautious, careful and prudent. So these are the synonym of this word worry. The next word in the list is trite. So trite means something that is unoriginal, that is lacking the importance, that is not real, right? So I did not finish the novel because the story's plot was trite and uninspiring. तो कोई चीज जो fake सा लग रहा है that is unoriginal, right? So hackneyed, ordinary and banal. So बहुत ही normal सा. Trite means बहुत ही normal सा, not original, not interesting. Dilatory means something that takes time. जानबूझकर डिले करना किसी चीज को, that is dilatory. So intended to cause delay, right? The concert hall used a dilatory maze to prevent overcrowding at the main entrance. तो कभी कभी आपने देखा होगा मंदिर में या किसी भी ऐसी जगह पे जहाँ पे बहुत भीड़ होती है वहां पे ऐसे क्यूज बनाए जाते हैं कि लोग वहां तक पहुंचने में टाइम ले. तो जानबूझ के ऐसा किया जाता है कि टाइम न लगे ज्यादा, राइट? So slow, unhurried and sluggish are the synonyms to this word dilatory. The next word in the list is cardinal. Cardinal is something that is fundamental. So fundamental of or of the greatest importance. कोई चीज जो सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी है. कार्डिनल क्या होता है? बेसिक चीजें जो जरूरत है. एज अ लॉयर अगर आप कोर्ट में प्रैक्टिस करना चाहते हो, सो यू मस्ट हैव LLB डिग्री, you must have been registered with Bar Council of India, then Bar Council of State, and you have to pass this AIB examination, All India Bar examination. These all prerequisites makes you eligible to be as a lawyer. So this is be as an advocate, I would say, because you are not registered. So in a town of in Italy, having litter-free land is a cardinal law due to the number of environmentalists who live there. So देखो सफाई रखना, सफाई के expectations करना, these are some cardinal things that are required to live in a society which is disease-free, which is carefree. So fundamental, basic and primary. So this word cardinal means fundamental. The next word in the list was there in a news, that is braggart. So bragging and boasting, brag करना मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा डींगे हाँकना, बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ा चढ़ा के बोलना. So an individual who brags a great deal, कोई व्यक्ति बोलता है मेरी इनसे पहुँच है, मेरी यहाँ तक पहुँच है, ऐसा वैसा है. So that is bragging, right? So the braggart in the bar keeps talking about all the celebrity he supposedly who knows, right? तो कोई व्यक्ति होता है बोलता है मेरी तो यहाँ तक पहुंच है, मेरी तो ऐसे पहुंच है, वो तो मेरे घर उठना बैठना है उनके साथ. So these are the people who are braggart, if not really attached to that people. So brag, egotist and poser. Poser is a person who acts like he's something unlike he's not, right? So braggart. Next word in the list is osage. Osage का मतलब होता है किसी चीज में आराम पहुंचा देना, ऑसिज है ना। जब हम लोग द अनदर वर्ड मे बी रिटन हियर एलिविएट, राइट। सो एलिविएट का मतलब होता है आराम पहुंचाना। सो लेट्स से वी हैव फीवर एंड वी ईट मेडिसिन, सो दोज मेडिसिन ऑसिज आवर पेन और सफरिंग टू रिलीव और ईज अनप्लीजेंट फीलिंग, राइट। So Mother Teresa believed we could assuage the suffering of the poor by helping those in need, right? अगर कोई व्यक्ति परेशानी में पड़ा हुआ है, अगर हम उसकी मदद करते हैं तो उसका जो दर्द है, जो सफरिंग है, जो पेन है, वो कम हो जाएगा। So relieve, alleviate and lessen, कम कर देना are the synonyms to this word osage. The next word in the list is penury. Penury मतलब extreme poverty, दाने दाने के लाले पड़ना, that is penury. So extreme poverty, since you live in penury, you are entitled to a number of financial benefits which are given out by the government. तो कोई भी व्यक्ति जो गरीबी रेखा से नीचे आता है, below poverty line है, he or she is given some goods and some eatables by government. So impoverishment, pennilessness, indigence. These are the words that are synonymous to this word penury. The last word in the list is tenuous. Tenuous means something that is flimsy, जो बहुत ही weak हो, कमजोर हो. So weak and likely to change, having little substance or strength. The uneducated man made a tenuous argument against the importance of obtaining a higher education. So जाहिर सी बात है, education is a necessary thing for everybody. So here जो man है, that is uneducated, and that's why he doesn't know a lot about the things that he is going to speak. That is why his statement made him tenuous, right? So flimsy, fragile and weak, these are the words that are synonyms to the word tenuous. At last, follow for more and do watch all the words that have been discussed in this English vocabulary playlist. These will help you in your upcoming examination. All the very best. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Thank you.